Hello friends, and welcome back to our final Luneville Embroidery lesson. As you can see, I've already covered the lower leaf with sequins using the classic fish scale technique, and today we are going to bring this entire piece together and complete our embroidery. Start by placing your smaller beads directly along the pencil line to create a crisp, clean outline. Take your time here, ensuring each bead sits perfectly secure against the next. Once your outline is completely covered, it's time to fill the inner part of the leaf. We will use the exact same filling techniques we practiced in our previous lessons, working from the outside inward. So we are going to apply these large statement stones. This adds incredible texture and a beautiful 3D effect to the artwork. And just like that, our embroidery is officially complete. Look at how the sequins, beads and large stones catch the light. Thank you so much for joining in through this course with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your finished pieces in the comments below. Happy stitching!